Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here in Foley Square. Today, Tuesday, June 27th, 2023. We're covering today, at long last, the hearing on Donald J. Trump's motion to remove his state case, federal case by Alvin Bragg, to federal court behind me. It will be taking place at 2:30, and we will be live tweeting it. Also, down in Florida, in the documents indictment, Mr. Walt Nauta will be appearing. He appeared with Trump on the first arrangement, but he didn't have a lawyer that was admitted to the court. Now he does. Probably it's going to be pretty routine, but from afar, we will cover it as well. Now, yesterday at 5:30, there was a sort of preliminary fairness hearing in the proposed settlement on behalf of Epstein victims with JPMorgan Chase. And by all accounts, I was there. The main report that they're saying is that it's been preliminarily approved. The judge was very, sort of complimentary toward it. But the lawyer for the U.S. Virgin Islands said, wait a second, could this be giving immunity and sort of releasing the claims of sovereigns such as the USVI? And they said of the 250 to 300 victims, that's the estimate they used, how many will actually be signing up for this settlement? And who's going to compensate the other ones that come in? They want the freedom to do so. It's an ongoing issue that will be looked into. On the sports front, behind me, Sebastian Telfair, local New York product, basketball star. He's pled guilty in the NBA healthcare fraud, but he wants a delay in sentencing because he's appealing a gun conviction here in New York, which would change his sentencing guidelines. So there's that. There is that. Now, what we can say is, at the United Nations, I guess as we predicted, over the weekend there was, of course, the Wagner group driving through Rostov-on-Don toward Moscow, then turning around, cutting a deal with Lukashenko. We put in, why did Guterres only whisper about it? Why did he only tell his friends about his deep concern if he was so concerned? No answer at all. And also, no answer to a question we submitted, while still banned from the UN. What's going to happen in these countries like Mali, where the UN is getting thrown out and Wagner group remains? The UN is failing, and we have applied to re-enter. To be continued.